welcome back to the channel. It's Crystal here of Crystles Classy Life, and a time was had last night here in this dining room. Last night we decided to do an intimate date night in the house. That's right, we stayed home. We did not go out to eat. Usually we eat out all weekend, but we didn't do that. Last night we actually made a dish that we haven't made before, which was steak Diane. I love steak Diane when I go get that from Cheesecake Factory, but we decided to do it last night with some ribeyes I picked up from Aldi, and we followed a Chef Ramsay recipe that I found on YouTube. So it was really good. It had shallots, mushrooms, brandy, and it was so good. I'm gonna input, and we had garlic mashed potatoes to go with it. I had a little lobster tail, so I'll input that footage so you all can see that. But I wanted to come on and just encourage you all to live every day elegantly by utilizing your pieces, sitting in a part of your house you don't normally sit in. We did something a little different. We put our pajamas on. Richard had on a silk robe and a t-shirt, and I had on a nightgown. So I did show a little bit of the table, but I'm going to kind of record in reverse and show you how you could set your table up for just an intimate evening at home, just to make it, you know, just a little more special, besides just every day sitting at the other table watching TV while you eat, okay? Because it's about utilizing those special moments in life and creating just, you know, something to remember. We've done this maybe one other time in all the years we've been married. So Richard actually Bluetooth music to the little speaker so we could have some ambiance, maybe some smooth jazz you could play, or whatever you like to listen to, but something calm for the evening because you're eating and you want to encourage conversation. So let's get into the tablescape. Let's start out with what I started with to set the table last night. I actually used a placemat. Didn't do a tablecloth or anything. Used this little simple little placemat, like a die cut placemat. You can see through it. I think it's really cute. And then I just went with one of our everyday dishes, which is a square plate. This one I thrifted it along with another set. I have two sets of the white square plates. One is by Everyday, it's porcelain plate, which is this one that I'm holding, Everyday White, and it's a porcelain plate. And the other brand is Canopy. So really simple. Love these plates. I use them every day, and had to throw in the Dollar Tree. We threw in that Dollar Tree because I had the lobster. So, and I think it matches well with the placemat. We did a wine glass and a water glass because we were doing wine and we were doing water. Now, if you have one of these, you could use this. This is to put your wine in. This one's chilled, so it's, you know, has some moisture coming off of the bottle. This was from Aldi, and Richard purchased this for me. It's a sweet peach. I'm not really a wine person, but, you know, I don't really drink alcohol, period, but it worked for last night's purposes, okay? And then he did a Pinot Noir. All right, so I already had the flowers. You know, I purchased those last week from Trader Joe's for $5.99. So you cannot beat that deal. And then we added just some simple candles. I already had these candles and these cute little candle holders. I think probably a thrift store or a yard sale. There's no telling. But what are the candles doing? They are creating the mood, the ambiance. You're going to turn down the lights. Now let's see what it looks like. Okay, we're creating the mood. Ooh, the ambiance. We're going to turn on some soft jazz, and that's going to make for a pleasant digestion and good conversation. You want to be able to conversate, and it's all about what? Creating the everyday elegance, right? And doing something that you haven't done, and using something that you don't usually use. All right, we're in the dining room. We don't normally eat in here. What are we saving the dining room for, people? Thanksgiving, Christmas. Why? Why are we waiting for special occasions to use rooms in our house that we're paying for every time we pay our mortgage? I don't understand the purpose of it. So that's what we decided to do last night. We had fun.
Yeah, good red wine with steak.
Darling, that's vintage in me. 1945. I hope it will encourage you all and make you all decide to do a special occasion. You don't have to be with someone. You could do this by yourself. Just take your dinner, go sit in your dining room, pull out that good china, that good heirloom piece that you've been saving, that good crystal, and pour you some apple juice in it or some wine, whatever. You don't have to drink wine out of the wine glass. Drink Kool-Aid out of it if you want to. It doesn't really matter. But make you some candles, get you some candles. You can get you some candles from the Dollar Tree. You can use your Bath and Body Works candles if you wanted to. Put them on the table, set you some smooth jazz out, and create that mood, honey. Then come back and tell us what you did and tell us how much you enjoyed it to make yourself feel special, because it's about creating everyday elegance, right? Doing that everyday thing. You know, that everyday thing. We're going to eat dinner every day. We're going to do that anyway, but it's about making it feel extra special. So yeah, that's it, guys. Really simple. You could do this for a intimate date night. You could do this for Valentine's Day. That'll be coming up in a few months. You could do it for anniversary, or you could just do it as a birthday surprise, whatever. But it's creating that special time in that you're just doing something different with your life, okay? It's about creating those moments that are going to make you feel special. And we enjoyed it. We enjoyed the conversation. We didn't have the TV on. And yeah, we had fun. Now, don't think just because I'm saying have a romantic dinner, that means you can't just do a romantic dinner with yourself. Romanticizing your own life and doing something special for yourself, you can. You don't have to have a dinner partner. You can always do this just for yourself. Make yourself your special dish, your favorite dish, and sit down and have yourself a meal and give yourself a candle. Sets the mood, lower the lights, put you on some nice soft jazz music, create the whole mood, and yeah, that'll be so special. So like I said earlier in the video, my husband and I, this is our second time we've done this, but it most certainly won't be the last time, because it did help us use the dining room. Because remember, I told you we painted the table set, we painted the cabinet, and we won't keep this forever, but it did give it an updated, fresh, new look. And it made you feel like, oh, I've got something different in here. Let's take advantage of it and let's utilize it. So that made it fun. And of course, trying a new dish, cooking a new date night dinner, attempting something we've never done before with the steak Diane made it even more special. We were getting to, spend time with each other, but also make it a fun situation. Anytime my husband and I are together, we're going to make it a fun situation, because we're going to joke, we're going to pick, and we're just going to have fun. We're going to cut up. So that's what, that's what's creating everyday elegance. That's what's making everyday special, making everyday memorable, something you'll look back on. When I did the other dinner, actually did it upstairs in our bedroom. I put a card table up, set it totally up with a tablecloth and everything. And I think we had steak and lobster. I can't remember. We probably had lobster for sure, because I love lobster. But we did it upstairs, and I did it upstairs in the bedroom, because if I did it downstairs, he would have seen it. He would have came home and he would immediately seen it. But I did it upstairs in the room, and that made it different because we're eating in a different location in the house we normally would not. I've done a prior video some years ago about doing like a movie night, making a romantic movie night. That's something that you could always do, but utilizing your pieces. I'm not burning candles every day, so I'm using those pieces. I'm not pulling out placemats every day. I'm not drinking out of wine glasses every day. You could, because, I'm not leaving anything for a special occasion. Every day is a special occasion, and we're using it right over here. So I want to encourage you all to do that as well. I hope this was fun for you. I hope it gave you an insight or an idea of, a way that you could do it. You don't have to plan anything special. You could just be doing spaghetti, or you could be doing whatever, and pull out some wine, pull out some glasses, throw some candles on the table, and make it be something different. Because I guarantee you, if you decide to do that and your mate is not expecting you to do it, they're going to be like, wow, what's going on? When you do something different and you make someone feel special, that's a treat. Yeah, we could have went out to eat. We could have, but we always do that. So, for us to go out to eat is not a special treat because we do it so much. It's only extra special if we're trying somewhere new or we're going somewhere different, But to sit home and actually do it at home, that was fun. And to make it even more fun, we had our pajamas on, honey. We had the pajamas on. Now, you put the pajamas on. So you take your bath, then you go make your dinner, you put your pajamas on. And then that way it's extra special because that way when you finish, you full. You finish eating, you go sit on the sofa and you start watching TV like we did. You fall asleep, it doesn't matter because you already got your pajamas on. You already took your bath. Well, that's it, classy people. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss any of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye.